the finished product. It smells so amazing. The first thing you're going to want to do is dice a small diced onion and set that aside. Now we moved over to the stove top. I'm going to brown up 1 pound of ground beef. After your ground beef is done browning, you can drain some of the grease. I don't have a ton in here, so I'm just going to leave it to help with the onions cooking. I'm going to use about a half a cup of onions. I'm going to add a spoonful of our garlic and just some Italian seasoning. Now that our onions are cooked through and soft, we're going to add 2 24-ounce jars of pasta sauce along with a half a cup of water. You're going to let that simmer for around 5 minutes. While that's simmering, we're going to make our cheese mixture. Put your whole container of ricotta cheese in the bowl. You're also going to crack your egg into the bowl. You're going to add 1 cup of the mozzarella cheese. And I had a little bit of Parmesan cheese left over, about a half a cup, so I'm just going to add that into this as well. Now we're just going to mix that all together. I also love garlic around here, so I'm going to put 1 teaspoon of garlic powder in there, as well as a little bit more Italian seasoning. Maybe a cup, cup and a half, and cover the bottom of your crock pot. Now we're going to add our lasagna noodles on top. So we're going to add about 3 noodles to the top. You have to break the noodles to make them lay flat. You have to break the noodles. Move your cheese mixture on top of the noodles. We're going to do about 3 layers, so try to use 1/3 of your cheese mixture for the first layer. Now that I did 1 layer, I'm just going to repeat that same process 2 more times. Now you're going to take another half cup of water and just pour it along the edges. Take the rest of our mozzarella cheese, so it's about 1 cup left, and just sprinkle that on top. And now you're just going to put your lid on and cook this on low for around 4 to 5 hours until your noodles are soft. Mine is done cooking. I leave the lid off for about 15 minutes just to let everything thicken up. This is the finished product. It smells so amazing.